To use the stopwatch on your Casio watch, use the lower left button to reach the third page. From here, you can use the right button to start the stopwatch. From here, when the stopwatch is running, you can press on the upper left button, just like that, to make a lap. This will freeze the time that you see, but the timer is still running. Under that, you can press it again, and as you can see, now you can see the time. And if I press it again, I've got the lap time, but the lap time is actually just a pause visually. Press it again and it continue. If you want to pause it for real, you can press on the right button and restart it, and pause it and restart it. Now if you want to reset the timer, you can pause it and use the upper left button to reset it. When you're done and want to come back to the main page, you can use the lower left button. So yeah, that was it. I hope this was helpful.